सदैव खुश रहो. This is JBN Dr. Brajraj Singh Chauhan, Associate Professor, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Program is BSc, B.Ed, PCM, 5th Sem, and course is Multivariate Calculus and Vector Differentiation, and session of today is Multiple Integral. So learner, we are knowing well about the integration. Integration is nothing but it is generalization of the length, generalization of the area, and generalization of volume. It is some constructive function and accumulating of data. It is nothing but accumulating of data, accumulating of substance, accumulating of the things. In definite integral, we have studied the integral of the function of single variable. The process of integration can be extended to function of more than one variable. The generalization of definite integral are termed as multiple integral. In particular, we shall discuss the double integral of a function of two variables and triple integral function of two variables. Double integral. Let us fx by be a function. Here, as we know, double integral is corresponding to the more than one variable. So, let us fx by be a function of two independent variables x and y in xy plane. Let us fx by be defined at all points to be continuous in some finite region and its boundary. Let the region R be divided in the subdivision of the subregion delta R1, delta R2, ... delta Rn. The area of corresponding is delta A1, delta A2, delta A3, ... delta An. Consider any point, arbitrary point xi, yi inside the ith area delta An, and from the sum S is equal to f x1 y1 delta A1 plus f x2 y2 delta A2 plus ... f xi yi delta Ai plus ... f xn yn delta An. So sum of the all term will be summation I is equal to 1 to n f xi yi delta Ai. This is the sum of function. In another format, this function is called as the double integration of this function. Now we take the limit of the sum as the number of subdivision or n tending to infinite. Whenever it divided into the infinite part or large number of parts, and the largest of the area delta Ai tending to 0 in this limit exists, then it is called the double integral of the fxy over the region R. And written this as R fxy dA, it is the read as the double integration of the function fxy and domain R. Now we consider the region R in Cartesian plane and divide this into the number of rectangular meshes by a network of line parallel to x-axis and y-axis. Then the area delta A become delta x, delta y, and then the double integral is written as delta R fx y dy dx, called the double integration of the function fxy over the region R. So it is defined by summation of I is equal to 1 to n fxi yi delta I. Delta I is equal delta Ai is equal to delta x, delta y. So limit n tending to infinite I is equal to 1 to n fxi yi delta x delta y is equal to double integration of R fxy dx dy. This is the double integration or summation of all deltas or accumulating the area or region this is denoted by r. So this is the definition of the double integration. Double integration over the region r is evaluated by two successive integration. Let the region r be bounded by the curve y is equal to f1x and y is equal to f2x, and the ordinate x is equal to a to x is equal to y. Then integration, double integration r fxy dx dy is equal to, first put the limit of x. X varies from here to there, that will be a to b, and y again varies from f1x to f2x, and putting these limit into the integration fxy, then integrating it first with respect to y, and after integrating with respect to y, it is integrating with respect to x, and you get the final conclusion of this integration, or evaluate the double integration. This is the definition of double integration. I hope you all are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box, and I will resolve it very soon. Thank you very much. See you again.